So everyone wants white sparkling teeth, but due to age and not proper care, our teeth become yellowish, and thereafter these yellow teeth look very awful and also very embarrassing at times. So if you are someone who wants to whiten their teeth, then this video is just for you, as in this video we will tell you some easy and amazing home remedies which will give you sparkling white teeth. Well, the first home remedy is with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Well, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide are known to remove plaque and bacteria from the mouth. To use these, you simply need to take a tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Then mix them properly and make a paste. And then simply rinse your mouth with water after using this paste. Another ingredient that you can try to get white teeth is apple cider vinegar. Yes, apple cider vinegar is known to whiten teeth, but only when used in small quantities. Simply take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix it with 6 tablespoons of water. And then swish the solution for about 30 seconds and then rinse with water and brush your teeth. And one most important thing, eat fruits and vegetables. Yes, eating raw fruits and vegetables with high water content helps you in getting white teeth, whereas the water content cleans your teeth and gum plaque. Also, chewing raw fruits after meals helps your teeth whiten. Another ingredient that you can go for is lemon. Well, lemon is a citrus fruit and contains vitamin C. And for your information, vitamin C is known to whiten teeth. So for this, you can take a lemon peel and just rub it over your teeth for about 2 minutes and then wash your mouth with water and then brush your teeth afterwards. And one easiest remedy that you can follow every day is brush your teeth regularly. Yes, you should brush your teeth properly and also correctly to avoid dental issues. Well, brush your teeth after having meals and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth. Also, try and brush your teeth twice a day and for about 2 minutes at a time. And make sure you brush them in a circular motion covering all the directions. Well, these were some easy home remedies that you can try on a daily basis if you want white teeth. Well, for more such interesting videos, you can simply log into our website, TheHealthSite.com, and till then, stay fit, stay healthy.